We've all heard it before. Diversify your investments to protect your retirement. But what if I told you that diversification alone might not be enough? In fact, it could be leaving your nest egg vulnerable to something far worse than you've ever imagined. Let's talk about the economic landscape we're in right now. Inflation is at a 40-year high. Banks are struggling, and even the best financial experts are starting to sound the alarm. If you're not paying attention to the cracks forming in the system, it could cost you your hard-earned savings, your retirement dreams, everything you've worked for. Meet David from Phoenix, Arizona. He's in his early 60s, worked his whole life as a school teacher, and after saving diligently, he had about $500,000 in his IRA. David thought he had the right balance: stocks, bonds, and a little bit of real estate. He thought his portfolio was diversified. What could go wrong? That's when things started to shift. With inflation eating away at the value of his savings and the stock market pulling back, he realized his strategy wasn't enough. Diversification didn't feel so safe anymore. David's story isn't unique. Every day, American retirees are waking up to find their financial security is no longer a sure thing. No matter how many stocks you have or how many bonds you hold, there's a growing risk that traditional investments just won't cut it in this new economic era. We're talking about real estate busts, stock market crashes, and yes, even inflation eating away at your purchasing power. Diversification is a good starting point, but it's not the full solution. That's where a gold IRA comes in. The beauty of gold? It's been a stable store of value for thousands of years, especially in times of uncertainty. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold doesn't just go up or down with the market. It's a hedge, an insurance policy against inflation, currency devaluation, and market crashes. For retirees like David, putting a portion of his IRA into a gold IRA was the decision that gave him peace of mind during one of the most volatile financial periods in recent history. David didn't have to worry about whether his hard-earned money would lose value overnight. Instead, he had the security of knowing that his retirement savings were protected in a gold IRA, something that has stood the test of time. He took the first step by getting a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation consultation. That's where it all started. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what's the catch? There is no catch. No hard sales tactics, no free silver gimmicks, just a straightforward educational call where you'll get the facts about what a gold IRA can do for your retirement. We're talking about one-on-one, no pressure, quick consultations to see if this would be a good fit for you. If you've worked hard for your retirement, you deserve to protect it for the next generation. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the first step to secure your future today by getting your free gold IRA guide. There's no obligation. Just clear, honest information that could change the way you look at your financial security. And remember, you've earned this. You've worked hard to build your retirement, and now it's time to protect it. Don't let your savings be a victim of today's financial instability. Click the link below, get your free guide, and book your educational call. Protect your nest egg, protect your future.